In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Calendar directly within Gmail. This is a great way to manage your emails and schedule all in one place, providing you with seamless integration between two essential Google tools. Let's dive into the process and have you connected in no time. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your Gmail account. This can be done quite simply by heading over to the Gmail website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll need to direct your attention to the right-hand panel of your Gmail interface. You may notice a few icons stacked vertically there, and among them is the Google Calendar icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. What happens next is quite nifty. Your Google Calendar will pop up directly in the Gmail interface as a new column on the right side. This will allow you to have a constant view of your schedule while browsing through your emails. It's a handy feature, especially when you need to check dates for scheduling emails, or quickly see what your day looks like without leaving your inbox. Once you have the calendar panel open, you can start playing around with dates. Simply head to the Date drop-down option at the top of the calendar interface. Selecting different dates will allow you to navigate through your schedule, focusing on specific days you need to manage. Creating events is just as straightforward. By clicking on any available time slot on your chosen date, you will be prompted to create a new event. This opens up a new event creation window where you can start personalizing your calendar event. Here's where you can add significant details like an event title, invite guests, set the location, and write a brief description if necessary. These elements are particularly useful in organizing your day effectively. You can even include additional information that your guests might need before attending the event. After filling in all your event details, the final step is to save your event by clicking the Save button. This not only ensures that your event is recorded in your calendar, but also if you've added guests, it sends out invitations to them with all the event details. It's as easy as that. When you're finished with your scheduling tasks, you may want to close the calendar panel. To do this, simply click the X button found on the calendar column. This will remove the calendar from view, bringing you back to the standard Gmail interface you're familiar with. By following these seamless steps, you can efficiently integrate your email and scheduling tasks, allowing for a smooth and uninterrupted workflow. That wraps up our guide for today. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to use this handy feature in Gmail to keep your life organized and productive.